What is going on YouTube? Today I'm going to be talking about the possibilities of the 11.2.6 jailbreak, and I can assure you right now that I have strong hope that we will receiving it in the near future. Now, as we know, Apple has been strict in the recent past with these jailbreak developers making their systems harder and harder to bypass, but we still get jailbreaks once every couple of iOS versions. And unfortunately, there are many fraudulent videos which claim to have a real jailbreak when in reality it's some fake file which commonly causes some sort of virus on your iPhone, iPad, whatever. So the last jailbreak that we have seen was for iOS 11.1.2, and that was honestly a pleasant surprise. We did not expect that. I did not expect that. But that just shows the potential of these jailbreak developers, that they can still gain access over the new iOS versions. Now, this gives me strong hope for a 11.2.6 jailbreak to come out in the near future. Now, why am I saying that? Well, primarily because iOS 11.2.6 is a very buggy version. It has many exploits within it. One of the major exploits has a nickname called Racer number 2. So what this exploit is just one of the flaws in the system which gives hackers full control over the Apple registers. So this information was found out by a man called Harsh Sony. He predicted previous jailbreaks, and he read a great article. You guys should definitely check out the full thing. The link's going to be in this description. So I do believe these words. I do believe that there is this so-called Racer number 2 hack. And this is very crucial because if the jailbreak developers are successful and they end up gaining control over these registers, we are certainly going to receive the iOS 11.2 jailbreak. So basically it's a waiting game. They're currently working on it. They're currently trying to work with this particular exploit. And it just depends on the skill of these developers whether we're going to receive it or not. But I definitely have strong hopes in them. They've been coming out with so many crazy ways to jailbreak the phones. So yeah, so just be patient and stay on the current iOS version. And as far as iOS 11.3 comes out, this is definitely going to be patched. So if you are currently on iOS 11.2.6, just stick to it. Just don't rush into a new version just because you lost hope of this jailbreak. Just be patient, play this waiting game, and know that there's hope for the jailbreak to come out for your iOS. And do not miss this great opportunity that's going to come soon. Trust me. But yeah, I believe this is one of the main reasons why we should expect a jailbreak. I'm not going to bother mentioning any other exploits that there are, just because I think it's going to be too complicated. For now, let's just stick to this and know that there is hope and that this current iOS version is vulnerable for a jailbreak. And it's just going to take a skilled developer to come up with it. But yeah, if you're still watching the video, I appreciate you for sticking around. Leave any feedback in the description. And once again, stick on iOS 11.2.6.